In this video, you will learn how to use Future Builder widget to execute your future function and build the widget according to the return response. Before we dive into the code, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So firstly, let me create a future function. This future function will return an integer value. Usually in this function is where you make HTTP network requests, but for tutorial purposes, I will just execute a future delayed function. Future in Flutter is executing asynchronously, which I added a wait keyword in front of the future delay function. So it waits for the function to finish before executing the next line. Then I will just return a simple calculation value. So I have completed my simple future function. Now I wanted to execute this future function and display the returned integer value to the screen. There are a few approaches to handle this, but in this tutorial, I will introduce you Future Builder widget. This widget comes with a builder parameter that returns build context and snapshot. Snapshot holds the returned value. To execute our future function, add the function to the future parameter. Now in our builder function, with the snapshot parameter, we can check if snapshot.connectionState is equal to connectionState.done. If it's true, it means the function completed and stored the return value in a snapshot, and we can access the value through snapshot.data. Else, if it's not equal, it means the future function is still processing. We will return a circular progress indicator. Now let's try it out in the simulator. So as you can see, when I hot restart the app, it shows the circular progress indicator for 5 seconds, then display the results of the calculate function. So this is how you can execute future function and build the widget according to the results in Flutter. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.